Alright, so I just got the stuff I ordered. Creality. So this is Pet G. CR Pet G. 230 to 250. Nicely vacuum sealed. We're going to put it on this one here. Hopefully it'll print better. This one here, I'm using this stuff. It doesn't like it at all. I've got PLA over here. It prints okay. So this is the one that I took apart. Screen. It might, I don't know if it'll fritz out or what it's going to do. But anyway, I'm going to get this stuff loaded in here and then find something to print. So with this stuff here, it's probably good. I won't have to worry about this. Might have moisture contamination. So once I get this in here, I'll have a pretty good idea. Catch you guys in a bit.